Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make a mouth-watering healthy Zobo recipe. Sit back and enjoy while I show you the secret, okay? So, here we have our two medium-sized apple, nicely washed, and our two medium-sized tangerine also nicely washed. I'll be chopping my apple into small parts and I'll be peeling my tangerine also. If today is the first time you're coming across my channel, please sit back and enjoy the video. And if you like my video, please do not forget to subscribe and hit notification bell to be notified whenever I release a new video. Thank you so much if you're going to do so or if you've done so already. I appreciate. So here we are. We have our watermelon. Next, I'll be slicing my pineapple into small parts. Here we are done chopping our fruits into small parts and I'll be taking them to the blender for blending. If you have a juicer, it's 100% okay. We'll be blending our fruits so we can extract the water, the liquid for our Zobo recipe. So I'm going to be checking my Zobo. It's cooking already and at this point it's nicely cooked. I'm going to be turning off the heat and separating the liquid from the chaff. While you're doing so, please be careful not to put everything in the pot to avoid adding sand to your liquid, okay? Yes, I tactfully did not put the sand. If you watch the pot, you will see I had the little because I knew there will be some particles down there. So I'll press to make sure we don't have any liquid left in the chaff. This is the liquid. If you notice they are too small, it's too small to say because I have much liquid from the juice. And here is my date syrup. I'll be dropping the video of how to make this date syrup in my next video. This will be serving as a natural sweetener. Will not be adding any granulated sugar or any sweetener, artificial sweetener at all. Next, I'll be going in with my nicely squeezed fruit juice. This will take the Zobo to another level. Trust me, it was so delicious and bet me it's so healthy. So here we are. If you are going to be selling this, for how much would you be selling this? For 1,000 or 500 bucks? I'll be freezing it and then when it's cold, it's best enjoyed when it's cold. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when I post or share another video. Thank you to all my returning viewers. I love you all. And do have a wonderful weekend. See you again in my next one. Be safe, be good. Bye.